Hi, what's up? Paris here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get a custom URL for your YouTube channel. So for example, I don't have a YouTube URL for this channel. So you can see up here it shows my channel ID. So essentially what it should say is probably youtube.com and then /Paris Musyoki. We want to create a custom URL so that when we are sharing this to friends or when you want to share it somewhere, it's easy for people to remember. There are only 4 requirements for you to get a custom URL. So I've just gone to the Google page here, and you can see for you to be able to be eligible for a custom URL, you have to have 100 or more subscribers. Your channel must be at least 30 days old. You must have uploaded a profile picture, and you must have also uploaded a banner image. So if I go back to my channel here, so when you want to access where you can change the URL, you go to the profile picture here, and then you go to YouTube Studio, or you go to your channel. So I'm just going to go to YouTube Studio here, and just looking at the eligibility criteria, you can see that I have 135 current subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. And then if I go to the dashboard here, so you just click on the dashboard, and then you just scroll down to where it says customization. Click on that, and then you come to here where it says basic info. And just while we are here, I want to show you where you can change your profile picture and banner. So you can say I have a profile picture here, and I also have a banner image here. And if you want to learn how to create a banner image using Canva, you can check out this particular card or the link in the description for you to access that video. I have a video on that. So I'm going to go back to the basic information here, and then I'm going to scroll down to where it says channel URL. So what we want to do is to create a custom URL. You can see that this channel ID that is here is actually the web address, and it is what is here right now. So once we create a custom URL, we are not going to have this anymore. It's going to look something like this. So you can either choose the one that has been chosen by default for you here. So it's going to try and get your YouTube channel name or something close to that. If you wanted to add characters to that, you just click on the lower one here, and then you can add letters or numbers to that. So I'm going to choose this top one here, and then I'm going to click on publish, and then it's going to ask me to confirm. So I'm going to click on that. And then you can see it says that the changes have been published and asked me to go to the channel. So you can see now it has given us the name that we have chosen here, which is a really good thing. So this is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. So I encourage you to ensure that you get the custom URL that sort of matches your branding, because this is the name that I have chosen to go with. So I don't mind this being my YouTube URL. But in case you didn't want this particular URL, you decided that you don't want it, you can always go back to YouTube Studio like we did before, and then you scroll down to where it says again customization, just the same way we have done when creating it. Then we are going to go to basic information once again, and then I'm going to scroll down. You can see that now when we go to the custom URL, it shows us that this is the one that is there now. So if you didn't want it, you can always delete, and then you would go to this part where you have a YouTube custom URL, and then if you wanted to go ahead and delete, you would click that, and then you just go ahead and confirm that you want to remove it. But I don't want to do that. I want to maintain it as it is. The changes in the actual live channel are not yet effected. It takes some time for them to get effected. So you have to check back in a few days, I think. So that is how to get a custom URL for your channel. Let me know in the comments down below whether you have a custom URL for your channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. In the meantime, have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video.